they take this for granted?
I was not expecting this. This is my train ride from Bandung to Yogyakarta or Jogja. I mean, look at these sceneries. Look at the train quality. Literally the best train ever.
Hands down the best train I've ever had in my life. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Morning. Bandung to Jogja, Yogyakarta. Let's go, baby. Came here last night, bought my ticket. Bought a first class ticket for like $5.40 or something. And have to find out where we're going. Platform 4. Here we come. I'm excited. Exploring Java has been on my list for a while, so this is a good thing.
So the train had different first class, business class options, and I didn't know the difference. So I guess I got myself a business class, but not the super deluxe. But see, it was really comfortable. The seats are very comfortable. It was cool in there. The AC is good, and we're just heading out. And I didn't know what to expect. I honestly did not know what to expect. I know it's beautiful. I know Java, Indonesia is really beautiful, but I just didn't know what I would see on this train ride. And you guys will see. Not only that I'm surprised, now that I'm making the video, I'm still like speechless.
I was not planning on getting food today because I bought cake, but fresh chicken, 8 in the morning, why not? There's only one place for mayonnaise on the planet, and that's the trash bin. Then a salad, and fresh chicken, and fries, wedges. Potato wedges. These potato wedges are actually really good. It's a bit dry, but it's good. It's fresh. I have the superpower of knowing if chicken fresh or not. This is fresh. It's dry though. 10 out of 10. For a train food, for $3 on a moving train in the first class, 10 out of 10. I wonder if these people that live in these places, farmers mostly obviously, do they take this for granted or do they know where they live? Do they wish they were in a city, like a bigger city, making more money but spending more money just to live a more unhealthy life? Probably a life that's not even as happy, because people from the city don't really know happiness, right? You live in the city, you aspire to have a better job, work every day, just so you can take a break from your job and come here. So their reality is your vacation. Their work is your vacation. airport for 2.5 hours now, getting some editing done. We have another 4.5 or 5 hours to go. You know what? I want an Airbnb in the jungles, or a cabin, or a guest house or something. That's what I want. I don't want to stay at a hotel. I'm done with hotels here. I don't think, I don't care about the cities, to be honest. I'm not here to check out the cities. Just look. This is where we started, this is where we at, this is where we're going.
They have a specific one.
We're not halfway yet.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, yeah. Great, thank you.
We're in
Oh, that's your visa?
Yeah.
Punjab. Yeah, long this train is. It's a long train. Guys, we made it to Jogja or Yogyakarta. I'm waiting on my Grab. I have a Grab. It was an amazing ride. It was the best train ride I've ever had, and probably the best transportation I've ever had in my life. Comparing to flights and just, you know, stuff like that, it was probably the best thing I've ever taken in my life. Hands down, the best train I've ever had in my life. Hands down, easily. Hello. For Mohammed, huh? Yeah.
No, I am not speak English.
Oh, sorry. Okay. I am not speak Indonesian. Sorry.
Country?
Iraq.
Huh?
Iraq.
Iraq. Yeah.
So the train was at 7:40 in the morning. I'm not a huge morning person because I prefer just staying up at night. I don't know, I've always been used to that. Look at my eyes, you could tell I don't get much sleep, and I don't get much quality sleep. That's the main thing. But my train was at 7:40 in the morning. When I do wake up early, I am super active. One thing that I do know is on the days that I wake up early, or on the days that you know, I go to bed late, or when I go to bed early and get some sleep, I'm very active. Even if I sleep late, if I wake up early, something about that waking up early in the morning just gives you that boost of great energy. That's how it was today. I edited videos on the train. It was just amazing. It was very productive. It was a good day. The train ride was about 7 hours. I had a first class ticket. I paid, I forgot, $5.50 or $5.60. Basically $30, $33. Some, I'm sorry if I'm wrong, but it's something around there. Something about $30. 7-hour journey. Really good train ride. Definitely recommended. I want to do it more. I actually want to possibly leave this city sooner just to get back on the train. I figured my editing days, I think my resting days will just be train now. I don't need resting days, because what I was planning to do is explore a city for 2 or 3 days, have an editing resting day, and then keep moving.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Right by a mosque. No more excuses. Can't miss a single prayer now. Hello. I have a Mohammed.
I'm sorry, I cannot speak English.
No problem. Your English is good. Yeah, my Indonesian is 0.
Oh yeah.
This one. Here?
Yes.